185 John Deere Hydro Drive Belt Diagram.
What shape is the drive belt currently in? When was the last time it was replaced or adjusted?
Replaced now, it rubs melts belt.
What's the make, model, and year of your car?
185 John Deere Hydro Mower, late 70s.
Is there anything else the mechanic should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Hello, my name is I have been a technician with John Deere dealerships for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance with your 185. I see that you were looking for the routing pattern of the 185 lawn and garden tractor on the transmission drive belt. Is that correct?
No. I need a good diagram.
I'm going to try to locate a very good picture for you. Your belt goes to the right side of the transmission. Correct? It has to be twisted in order to fit over the pulley on the pump.
I cannot find on. I replaced both pulleys, now it won't move without smoking belt. No twist and serious belt, older 185. Hello? Well, anyone there?
https://outdoorpowerinfo.com/repair/deer_175_drive_belt.asp. Here is a link to changing the drive belt.
Wrong diagram. This is the ring diagram, no pulley up by clutch. I need the right diagram, there is only 4 pulleys. I have already.
So your belt goes to the top of the transmission? You must have a gear drive.
No hydrostatic. Hydro.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.